Okay, hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how to capture packets on PfSense via Wireshark on Windows 10. So first of all, there's a post on the Lawrence forums. A user posted the command that we're going to use to capture the packets via Wireshark. So first of all, what you need is you need to install Wireshark, of course. And then you need to install PuTTY. With the PuTTY, there's an extension called plink, which will install automatically with it. And once you have that, you're good to go. So this is the actual command that we're gonna run in CMD. Okay, so we open up CMD now, and we're gonna copy this command over here. And this is your path where your plink is, which came with the PuTTY, and this is your port where the SSH is of your PfSense router. By default it's 22, but you don't want to run it on 22. You just change it to something else and just put it over here. And -i is where your private key is. You do need a private key because if you don't, what happens is when you run this command, it's gonna prompt you to enter password, and the Wireshark will launch immediately, and then there's no authentication between your PfSense router and your Wireshark. So it's just better to do with it if you have a private key setup with the SSH. And over here, even though mostly you guys are running with the admin, just enter root, it doesn't matter. And then you have your PfSense IP address. And now this is the interface that you guys are going to use to capture, depending on its WAN, LAN, or guest. Okay, so to find the interface which you want to capture, what you have to do is you go to your PfSense, you go to interface, you go to assignments, and over there you can look your LAN is IGB0, your WAN is IGB0, your LAN is IGB1, your guest is IGB2, and this is VPN servers. You can see what the interface is over there. So in my case, I'm going to capture guest, so this is IGB2, and this is the path for the Wireshark, and with -i-space-k. And now I just have to change the path for where my private key is located. So that is located under users setup dot slash documents slash. And now pretty much we just press enter. We make sure our path is correct for the plink, your port, and the path for your private key, and root, and the interface you want to capture over here, and then the path for the Wireshark. Just press enter. Actually, I think I entered the wrong user over here, so I'm just gonna rerun the command. Don't worry, it's fine. Okay, so it won't quit. So just quit your Wireshark. I'm gonna cancel it out, and my user is stack actually, so that's why I didn't put it properly. So we'll just change it to. Let's go back here. Just make sure your paths are correct. Otherwise it just won't work. So just put text over here, documents, press enter, and now we have a packet capture. So now I'm capturing IGB2, which is my guest network / IoT devices, things, stuff like that. So you can see we are running packet capture of PfSense, and that's pretty much it. If you want to run it with your password, you don't have a private key setup, so there's a way to do it. So all what we need to do is we need to just come over here. We're just gonna erase this command and the path for our, and instead we're just gonna let pw, and you guys gonna specify your admin password for your PfSense router, and just press enter. And we have a packet capture. So As you can see, we can run it with the password or we can run with the private key. So with the private key, if you want, so over here, just 1 minute. Okay, so if you want to run with the private key, you do -I and you specify your private key. If you want to run with a password, same command, but you just remove -I, instead you replace it with -PW and your password, and this stays as root, but this password is if you were to type here admin. So just to make sure, this is your admin password over here, but you leave it as a root, Wireshark, and your path for peeling, and that's it. It's working and up and running. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this helps, and thanks to the guy in first place who posted this post, which made it possible. And thank you for watching my video. I hope this helps. Thanks.